Hello, I am Jeremiah Belen, and I will graduate from Kingdom Prep Lutheran High School and earn my youth apprenticeship certificate from GPS Ed this June. I'm most proud about learning how to operate the various machines in the Lakeside facility: the brake press, saw, handheld spot welder, and mounted spot welder. My most challenging task was remembering how to do certain things or operate certain machines over a period of time. While in the GPS Ed program, I learned how to be more attentive to detail and how to operate machinery that I wouldn't even know if it existed if I didn't work here. The most important lessons I've learned about the business world is that the world will not care if you think you deserve a good job or not. You have to show them that you are worth it. You have to show everyone that you are the person that wants it the most. And lastly, be the most qualified for what you want to do. My instructors have prepared me for my career by showing me how to use proper etiquette in the workplace. They also taught me how to make a proper resume, and thanks to these instructors, I've learned how to adapt and find a solution to every problem, whether it's work or school related. One thing I will take from my time in the program and apply to my life is how often my mentors told me to never slack off or to make assumptions about anything and always be sure about myself. After graduation, I plan to start working at Lakeside as a welding operator, and within the next year or two, I plan on getting my welding certificate at a technical college. My last piece of advice to other students is to bring a positive attitude and a willingness to learn. I have really appreciated my time at the GPS Ed program, and I'll miss the guidance of my instructors the most. Lastly, I would like to thank my family and all the teachers that never gave up on me.